Bonjour. Bonjour.
Bonjour.
Today in Paris, we visited the Musée d'Orsay, we went shopping, and we did a tour of the Notre Dame. Come along with us as we explore this city.
We're at the museum that I came to Paris to see. I'm so excited.
I'm so excited too. What is in here?
All the Matisse, all the impressionistic painters, which of course just speak to my heart. I'm all aflutter.
Wow.
Thank you, Hattie.
Well, are you going to paint with a pillow?
Yes, I will.
Okay.
I can.
Yeah.
I can. We'll do it.
I'll have to link up Marta's art below. She's amazing.
Oh, that would be great. I would love it.
It's my mom.
It's fun to be in Paris, and I'm looking forward to the tour today.
We had a guided tour of the Musée d'Orsay, and we were so glad that we did. First, we got to skip the lines and go in through a private tour guide entrance, and then we had a fabulous guided tour of the Musée d'Orsay. Our tour guide, Cristina, was fantastic, and highly recommend booking her as your tour guide if you are in Paris. She really took her time explaining the artworks, the history, and answered all of our questions. No doubt we got a better experience of this museum because she was our tour guide. We stayed for lunch. There's one really fancy restaurant at the Musée d'Orsay and one more casual restaurant. We chose the casual restaurant and absolutely loved it. The decor is fabulous.
Place to be.
Oh,
This
nice.
is a lovely book. The place to be. I'm thrilled. I can't wait to go back and look at this for many years to come.
Okay. Bonjour. Bonjour.
Bonjour.
From
We just
Musée d'Orsay.
finished the most magnificent tour of the museum. Cristina, our guide, was absolutely at the top of her game.
She
We
was
learned a
so
lot.
much fun.
So we're going to give her a shout
10
out.
out of 10. We highly recommend Cristina, and we highly recommend Musée d'Orsay.
Yes, if you come to Paris, you have to get the guided tour so you can find your way around. And Cristina was amazing,
Yes.
full of energy, and
Very
made it
knowledgeable.
Made it very interesting.
Memories.
Well, I'll link it
Okay.
in the video, but yes, like Paris memories or something. But anyway, all right, on to the next thing.
We did a little shopping before our next adventure, which was to explore the Notre Dame. We also had a tour guide for this experience, and also glad that we did because we skipped the very long line and headed into a private entrance, and our guide explained all of the major artifacts, works of art, and history of the Notre Dame. It really was a fantastic experience, and we would not have known what to see or the history without our guide.
We just visited Notre Dame. We had an interior and exterior tour. We learned a lot. We did not light a candle to
I took pictures of them.
help save our souls, so that might have been a mistake.
I did request you all light a candle for your mother.
I know, and we didn't. We could have even paid by credit card. There's really no excuse.
Well, there were 4,000 people in the Notre Dame at one time, so it was a little hectic.
We were shushed a couple times not by anyone personal, but just everyone in the church was shushed, reminded to be quiet. We saw some of the oldest stained glass windows. There were only a few of them that survived the fire, and so that was pretty special seeing them. And we saw the statue of the Virgin that was saved, and it was supposedly a miracle, as well as the panels that depicted the life of Jesus.
And those were wooden.
They were wooden, and that was really amazing. And Mom, it was very meaningful. Mom really, especially, I think maybe that might have been her favorite.
It was. I wanted to go into the museum.
The museum was a
With
separate
the relics.
ticket.
Where the relics are.
See, I don't
You
need
had
to
to
do
get a
that,
separate
but
ticket.
I think everybody else was pretty excited for that. So maybe another time.
Yeah.
All right, on to the next adventure.
Au revoir.
What a fun day.
It was so fun.
We love Paris.
It's the best.